Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG's 27BQ70QC-S new LCDs. So friend, LG introduced the 27BQ70QC-S 27-inch WQHD liquid crystal panels, and friend, it will be available for purchase in early July. And friend, a two-way stand that may be hung on partition. It utilizes addition to the fixed stand. And friend, the liquid crystal screen employs an IPS system with a wide viewing angle. A more accurate image display is available by performing calibration prior to factory shipment. And the key features are brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio 1000 gem1, reaction speed 5 millisecond, refresh rate 75 Hz, color gamut sRGB 99%, horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree. And friend, the interface consists of HDMI, USB Type-C, headphone output, microphone input, and USB Type-C, which enable DisplayPort and alternate mode and power delivery up to 65 watt, and may be linked to a PC with a single cable. And friend, it will be comes with a detachable full HD compatible webcam and microphone, allowing for comfortable video chats. And friend, the speaker output is 2 watt into 2, and the stand tilts from -5 to 10 degrees. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.